opinion of people at the economic top, people who would be described, I guess, as the social and economic elites, they believe that what Sheila Bair is talking about and others, that we may have to, Bernanke said this, there may need to be more public money now to step in and to some extent free the banks from some of the bad decisions they made. Now that's aggravating in one sense, but it may be necessary to keep the economy going. There's a major division between the opinion of the average citizen and the opinion of the top policymakers, and that's very unhealthy for the society. And the reason is that people see interventions that help in the near term, AIG or Citicorp, etc., but then they go to unemployment and they lose their health care. And when I'm telling the elites, people who think of themselves in that category, that they better help us improve the social safety net in America. As long as the average American has to worry that in economic bad times, he'll lose his health care, she'll have to see her kids drop out of school, etc., etc., they're going to be very resistant to doing things that have the short-term effect of helping financial institutions, even if they're necessary for the longer term for society. And I'm using this to strengthen the argument that I believe we will do now with the Democrats in power, President Obama, the House and the Senate. What we want to argue to them is improving the social safety net, protecting people's rights to join unions, providing health care, making higher education available for people in working class. If you don't do those as a society, you will lose the capacity to do the kind of things that Sheila Bair thinks are in the economic interest of the country. And I agree with her, but they're just not going to happen without broader political support.